Hi, welcome to the channel. So, who am I and what do I do? Well, I'm a 3D production artist full time, and I also do a bunch of creative projects, in the off hours. So, this is something I wanted to start up and talk about my platform and how to use it and how to get the most out of it. And what's this platform? Well, it's called RapidGig, and it's a niche network for 3D collaboration. So it's basically you post these very um, specifically scoped tasks, not necessarily entire projects, but bits and pieces that can kind of help with the 3D workflow. It's something I thought about for a while, and I'm still under heavy development. So I'm hoping this will be useful to the 3D community. So the more people that sign up for it, I think the better it can go. Um, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you a bit of an overview in this intro video. So, yeah, I'll be talking about that mostly on this channel, and I hope you stick around. I'll talk to you later.